All right, guys, we got a 2004 Nissan Frontier, one owner, guys. They've had it since since '04, which is crazy. He passed it down to his grandson or son, I'm not sure. So anyways, I'm gonna show you guys what we got done on it for you. Is it his son, your son or grandson? Grandson, so he passed it down to you, right? So he passed it, huh?
It hasn't been passed down to me yet, but hopefully one day.
All right. So he's about to pass it down to him. So he's hinting. So I think you guys tell him in the comments he needs to pass it down to him. Anyways, what we got done on it, factory converter up there on the manifold. We took the secondary converter off and put a high flow in its place to let it breathe a little bit better. Then it's got factory flex pipe. Then what we did is put a Delta 40 FLOWMASTer 40 series right there. Here's the part number. There'll be a link in the description for it. He's been a fan of our channel for a few years, so we appreciate him coming down. I told him we'll make a video for him. Then it's got the factory tailpipe out the back right there. As you guys can see, Nissan Frontier 4-cylinder. There's the stock muffler that was on it that we took off right there. Because he's been a fan for so long, I'm gonna put him a nice chrome tip. So stay tuned for a second, guys. We'll be back. Yeah, what do you guys think? That looks a lot better. I like it with the tip. Looks a lot better than that pipe right there that used to be on it. Much nicer.
Sure.
You approve?
Yes.
They approve.
Fantastic.
Just wait till you hear it. You like it? Not too crazy? Perfect? Pass it down to him. I'm telling you. Get you the new one and give him this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it. That's perfect. Here's sound decibels. 90.6, guys. That's awesome. Nothing crazy, just a nice clean tone. I like it. And it is stick shift, so no rev limiter. Sounds good. And it's not like crazy on idle either. It's smooth,
Yeah,
you know?
Yeah, my wife has to ride in it every day.
Exactly. We'll make sure the wife is happy. Nissan Frontier. Beautiful truck. Amazing how you can tell one owner trucks right away. They've been taken care of, haven't been abused. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Nissan Frontier with a FLOWMASTer 40 Delta Flow. And a nice tip.